Now let's take the next type, that is to construct a circle of given radius passing through two given points. Let's take the first problem in this type. Construct triangle ABC with AB equal to 5 cm, BC equal to 7 cm and angle ABC equals 120 degrees. Also construct a circle touching AB at B and passing through C. Measure its radius. Now in this, first we will draw the triangle ABC with the given measurements. So we first draw angle ABC as 120 degrees, BC as 7 cm and AB as 5 cm. Complete the triangle ABC. Now we know the property of a circle, that is a radius is always perpendicular to the tangent. Now we want to draw a circle passing through AB at point B. So we will draw perpendicular to AB at B. Now draw the perpendicular bisector of BC to meet perpendicular drawn at O. Now we've got the point O. With O as center and radius as OB, draw the required circle. Now let's look at our next problem. Construct a triangle ABC in which AC is equal to 5 cm, BC equals 7 cm and AB equals 6 cm. Mark D the midpoint of AB. Also construct the circle which touches BC at C and passes through the point D. In this, let us draw the triangle ABC with the given measurements. Now mark D as the midpoint of AB. Now draw the perpendicular to BC at C and also draw the perpendicular bisector of DC to meet the previous perpendicular at the point O. With O as the center and OC as the radius, draw the required circle that is passing through BC at point C and it is also passing through the point D. Now let's consider our next problem. Draw a circle of radius 5 cm which passes through points P and Q which are 7 cm apart. Now we are given that length of PQ is 7 cm. So we first draw a straight line PQ such that PQ is 7 cm. Now draw the perpendicular bisector of PQ. From P, mark an arc of 5 cm to cut the above perpendicular at point O. With O as center and OP as radius, draw the required circle. We take the next type, that is type 5, to construct a circle passing through a given line at a given point and also passing through a given point. Let's take the first problem here. Draw a triangle ABC in which AB equals 5 cm, BC equals 3.6 cm and AC equals 4.5 centimeter. Construct a circle which touches AB at a point A and passes through C. Now in this, first we will draw the triangle ABC such that AB is equal to 5 centimeter, BC as 3.6 centimeter and AC as 4.5 centimeter. Complete this triangle ABC. Now we draw a perpendicular to AB at point A. Here again we know the property that radius is always perpendicular to the tangent. Now draw a perpendicular bisector of AC which meets the previous perpendicular at the point O. Now with O as center and radius OA, draw the required circle. Now, let's look at our next problem. Draw AB as 4 centimeter and BC as 6 centimeter so that angle ABC equals 90 degrees. Find a point P which is equidistant from B and C and is 4 centimeter from it. Construct a circle touching AB and BC and having its center Q equidistant from B and C. Measure the length of PQ. Now we draw triangle ABC with the given measurements, that is AB is 4 centimeter, BC is 6 centimeter and angle ABC as 90 degrees. Complete the triangle ABC. Now we want a point which is equidistant from B and C. So we draw the bisector of the side BC. Now with A as center and radius 4 centimeter, cut an arc touching the perpendicular bisector of BC in P and P dash. Now draw the angular bisector of angle ABC which meets the bisector of BC at the point Q. Because any point on this bisector will be equidistant from the points B and C. Now with Q as center and radius QM, draw the required circle. Now, let's take our next problem. Ruler and compasses only may be used in this question. All construction lines and arcs must be clearly shown and be of sufficient length and clarity to permit assessment. Construct a triangle ABC in which AB is 9 cm, BC is 10 cm and angle ABC is 45 degrees. Draw a circle with center A and radius 2.5 cm. Let it meet AB at D. Also, construct a circle to touch the circle with center A externally at D and also to touch the line BC. Now, let's draw the figure for this. We first draw the triangle ABC with the given measurements, that is AB is 9 cm, BC is 10 cm and angle ABC is 45 degrees. Now take A as the center and radius 2.5 cm. Draw a circle meeting AB at the point D. Draw a tangent at D to the circle with center A to meet BC at F. Now draw the angular bisector of angle BFD to meet BD at P. Now with P as center and PD as the radius, draw the required circle. Now let us look at this topic from the board point of view. This topic generally carries 3 to 4 marks in the ICSE board examination. There is one question from this topic mostly in section B. Now where can you lose marks in this topic? Always draw the diagrams neatly and obviously in pencil only. Label the figure properly. Also, draw all the arcs of constructions neatly. Read the question properly. If asked to measure some length, do that accordingly. And also, all the figures should be drawn using ruler and compasses only. No freehand drawing is permitted. Now let's take the board problems. We start with the first one, which is the March 2003 board question. It says, construct an angle PQR equal to 45 degrees. Mark a point S on QR such that QS equals 4.5 centimeter. Construct a circle to touch PQ at Q and also to pass through the point S. Now we draw angle PQR as 45 degrees. Through Q, draw an arc of radius 4.5 centimeter which cuts QR in the point S. That is, we take QS as 4.5 centimeter. Draw the perpendicular bisector of the line segment QS. Also, draw the perpendicular of PQ at Q. Let the perpendicular bisector and the perpendicular meet at the point O. Now keeping O as the center of the circle and radius OQ or OS, draw the circle. Now this circle drawn is the required circle which touches PQ at Q and passes through the point S. Now let's look at our next problem, which is the March 2005 board question. It says, using a ruler and compass only, construct a triangle ABC with BC as 6 cm, angle ABC as 120 degrees and AB as 3.5 cm. In the above figure, draw a circle with BC as diameter. Find a point P on the circumference of the circle which is equidistant from AB and BC. Measure angle BCP. Now in this, first we will draw the triangle ABC with the given measurements, that is BC is 6 cm, angle ABC as 120 degrees and AB as 3.5 cm. Complete the triangle ABC. ABC is obviously an obtuse angle triangle. Now we draw a circle with BC as the diameter. We want a point P on the circumference of the circle which is equidistant from AB and BC. So we draw the angle bisector of angle ABC to meet the circle at point P. Now measure angle BCP. We will get that equal to 30 degrees. Now, let's take our next problem, that is the March 2007 board question. Using a ruler, construct a triangle ABC with BC as 6.4 cm, CA as 5.8 cm and angle ABC as 60 degrees. Draw its incircle. Measure and record the radius of the incircle. Now in this, first we will draw the required triangle, that is BC as 6.4 cm, CA 5.8 cm and angle ABC as 60 degrees. Now draw the angular bisector of angle B and angle C. Let them meet at the point I, with I as center and radius ID. Now ID is the perpendicular to BC. So we take the center as I and radius as ID. We draw the circle. Measure the radius of this incircle. We will get ID, which is equal to the radius, as 1.5 centimeter. Now, let's look at our next problem, which is the March 2008 board question. Using a ruler and a pair of compasses only, construct the triangle ABC given AB as 4 cm, BC as 6 cm and angle ABC as 90 degrees. A circle which passes through the points A, B and C and mark its center as O. Now in this, first we will draw the triangle ABC with AB as 4 cm, BC as 6 cm and angle ABC as 90 degrees. Complete the triangle ABC. Now draw the perpendicular bisectors of AB and BC. Let them meet at the point O. With O as the center and radius equal to OA, OB, OC, draw the circle. Now let's look at the brain map of this topic. We have seen the construction of tangents to a circle from external point. We have also seen how to circumscribe a circle on a given regular polygon. Also, we have seen how to inscribe a circle on a given regular polygon. Apart from this, we had seen how to construct a circle which is passing through two given points. Also, we had seen to draw a circle which is touching a line at a given point and also passing through another point. Now let's revise this at a glance. We had seen the first type, that is construction of tangents to a circle from an external point. Here we were given the radius or the diameter of the circle and we were told to draw the tangents from an external given point. At times, we were also given the angle between the two tangents and we had to draw those tangents. Now in the second type, that is circumscribing a circle on a given regular polygon, we saw how to circumscribe a circle on an equilateral triangle, a square, a regular pentagon and a regular hexagon. Then we had seen inscribing a circle on a regular polygon. So here we had seen how to inscribe a circle on an equilateral triangle, square, regular pentagon and regular hexagon. Then we had seen the next type, that is construction of a circle of given radius and passing through two given points. So in this, we were given the radius of the circle and we had to draw the circle passing through two given points. Then we had seen the last type, that is construction of a circle passing through a line at a given point and also passing through a given another point. In this, we were given the triangle with the measurements. Then we drew a circle touching a given line and a given point. I hope you have followed this topic, and this topic is quite scoring and it is time saving, so definitely attempt the question from this topic in your ICSE board exam and score full marks.